If you want it,
Haitian All-StarZ.
got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody
Got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
From, you know, the carnival and all that whole situation.
With you see my come up, you know what I'm saying? Like, you was at the basement when I had like the Akai 900.
Yeah.
You know, in the early days, I used to just sit there. You seen the board that we had in the studio?
That's right.
Nobody was working that board. That was me working the whole thing. So at the end of the day, after the carnival, you know, I wanted to do an album called If Carnival Wanted It in 4 languages. You know what I'm saying? I don't necessarily think my record company saw the vision at the time. So the idea of coming from like 18 million sold and then you telling them that your next project, you know what I'm saying, you want to do an album in 4 languages, and one of the languages being Creole, they didn't get it, you know what I mean? But that album ended up selling like 6-7
That album
million.
was crazy.
You know what I'm saying? It ended up
with
being
the Foxy record and Vent got you know what I mean?
Yeah, so what we did was, after that, you know, I just started getting in the game.
Yeah.
So I got a call. They said, "Yo, there's 4 girls. We need you to do a joint for them." That ended up being Destiny Child first hit. You know what I'm saying? Also got in with Maya. Nobody knew who Maya was. I got a call from Jimmy Iovine. I put Maya on the record Ghetto Superstars. Cut that record and started Maya. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Prize.
Shout out to Big Prize. Started Maya in the sense of because when I got the call from Jimmy Iovine, no one could front on that. Jimmy calls me and say, "Yo, I need you to make this girl a star." Because that's what I'm good at. You know what I'm saying? He saw what I was doing with Lauren.
That's
you
right.
know, and then we pop off with the Destiny Child, you know what I mean? Whitney Houston, My Love's Your Love. Carlos Santana, Maria. Shakira, Hips Don't Lie.
Hips
and I
Don't
could
Lie
keep
is
going.
crazy.
I could keep going on and on.
Yeah.
Because what happened is there was a time with the Fugees where it was so much scandal on who was doing what. Because it was like, yo, well, you know, was it really Clef doing all the music? Was it really Jerry doing all the music? Was it really, you know, I think now you could put everything in perspective and see who's doing what, because at the end of the day, whatever you was doing, you still got to be able to keep doing it.
That's
and
right.
keep reinventing it.
That's
like
right.
when you hearing hip hop, you know what I'm saying, or you hearing Midlife Crisis, you feeling like, oh man, this remind me of the old basement movement. You know what I'm saying? So the movement continued.
No doubt. I feel that, you know, as you were progressing with the production, it definitely gave you a validation, like you said. You know what I mean? Like you said, you had to keep it going. Like you had to keep it going. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely. You know, and I got a chance to rock with, you know, Quincy Jones. You know, I learned a lot from him. And you know, for me, I always say it's a producer's game. And what I meant by that was, at the end of the day, you know, as a producer and as a writer, because you gotta understand, this is every kid that's listening to this the hustle right here. You can make beats all you want, right? But that's only gonna get you but so far. But think about it, when you bring the song to Rick Ross, if you bring it to him with the hook and you got the concept of the whole song, now it goes from you just being a beat maker to actually writing a part of a song. So that's why I always encourage the kids. I don't care what program you're using, from Fruit Loops to MP, whatever you're using, but at the end of the day, get that pen game up to the point where not like you just writing hip hop. Like, try to write hip hop, R&B, country, man, you know what I mean? Whatever's gonna work. We're gonna Haitian. Sali na feli man, Part.3 show. You already know.
Listen, it's Haitian All-StarZ, RadioLily.com.
Haitian All-StarZ.